Hi, today we're talking about the process of the scientific method by Hazel Mejia. We're going to start with what is the scientific method. The scientific method is a procedure consisting of a series of steps with the goal of problem solving and information gathering. The scientific method begins with the recognition of a problem and a clear elaboration or description of the problem itself. A process of experimentation and data collection then follows. The final step consists of the formulation and testing of a hypothesis or potential solution and conclusion. In simple terms, the scientific method is a way for scientists to study and learn new things. The scientific method has 6 steps. The first step is question or problem. Is the question asked about the thing you want to know, the question you want to answer? The second step is the research or gather data. Is the information gathered about the problem? In simple terms, it is an investigation about the problem. The third step is make a hypothesis, which is the guess or prediction you make about the outcome experiment. The fourth step is the experiment. Is the physical model you are using to test your hypothesis. Next step is observation. Is the data or information you're collecting during the experiment. The final step is conclusion and communication. The conclusion is the determination if your hypothesis was correct or not. If it is not, you can change your hypothesis and do your experiment again, and then you can communicate your answer. Where and when it is useful to apply the scientific method. We think it is only useful during science fair projects, but the scientific method is used in all sciences, including chemistry, physics, geology, and psychology. The scientists in these files ask different questions and perform different tests. But these are not the only times we can use it. With a little consideration and observation, any problem encountered in daily life is a potential possibility to use the scientific method. For example, if our toaster isn't working, we might want to use the scientific method to know the reason behind its dysfunctionality. You're wondering why it is important. Well, I think that it is important because it helps us investigate problems and answer our questions through an organized series of steps. Thanks to the scientific method, we'll learn new things every single day, and we gather information about the world that surrounds us. Quick test. Pause the video and answer the question down below. Which is the third step of the scientific method? Yes, you're right. Make a hypothesis. Thank you for watching. See you next time.